In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up video in Adobe Express. We'll keep this clear and practical so you can follow along even if you're brand new to the editor. Start by opening the Adobe Express Video Editor. Once you're in the workspace, upload the video you want to speed up or open an existing project that already has your clip. You'll see the clip appear on the canvas and in your timeline. Give it a moment to process if it's a larger file. You'll know it's ready when the thumbnail and preview look crisp and responsive. Next, make sure the video layer is actually selected. Click or tap directly on the video in the canvas so that a highlight or bounding box appears around it. When the video is selected, the Properties panel will show tools that are specific to video, including an option labeled Speed. If you don't see Speed, that usually means you accidentally selected something else, like text or a shape. In that case, look to your Layers or Layer Stack panel, find the video layer by its thumbnail, and select it there. This is especially helpful if you're working with multiple stacked elements. With the video layer selected, go to the Properties panel and locate the speed setting. Use the slider or options provided to increase the speed. As you raise the speed, notice how the clip's duration in the timeline compresses. That's expected. Speeding up the footage makes it play back in less time. Keep an eye on the preview as you adjust so you can find a pace that feels natural for your project, whether you want a subtle time saver or a fast time-lapse effect. After you've increased the speed, adjust the scene's duration so your faster video lasts as long as you want. In the timeline, drag the end of the scene's timing bar to stretch it. This helps you control how long that scene remains on screen and ensures the sped-up clip doesn't get cut off prematurely. If you notice the scene ending too early or extending longer than you intend, simply drag the edge again to refine the timing. A quick preview pass is the best way to confirm everything lines up the way you expect. That's all you need. Open your video in Adobe Express, select the video layer so speed appears, increase the speed to taste, and then stretch the scene duration to match your vision. Make a quick preview, confirm the pacing, and you're done.